Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to a new episode from Linguamid. Ready to travel? Do you know some important phrases that will help you express being ready to travel or start a new journey? So this episode is for you. I will give you 5 important phrases that you can use in spoken Egyptian when you are preparing to travel. But before I start, don't forget to sign up to my free Egyptian Arabic 101 course, the basic course that will give you the foundation in spoken Egyptian. You will find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. With this course, you have also a good option to download the free PDF, the free ebook. This will be completely free within the course. So let's start. So here my first key phrase is لازم ألم شنطي. لازم ألم شنطي. لازم, it means I must. لازم. Okay, لازم. Just this word, it means there's a necessity or I must. ألم as a verb, it means to collect. So the verb يلم, to collect, and conjugation with I is ألم. So أنا ألم, I collect. شنطي is the plural of شنطتي, or شنط is the plural of شنطة. And شنطة, it means a bag. شنطة, شنطة, a bag. And the شنط is the plural. And when we say my bags, it means شنطي, شنطي. So say it again with me. This is very important. لازم ألم شنطي. I must collect my bags. And here the شنطي, it means my suitcase, or let's say my travel luggage. So we say شنط simply, and it means the travel luggage. So لازم ألم شنطي. Here we have a second important phrase. حجزت الفندق. Did you book the hotel, or did you make a reservation for the hotel? يحجز is to make the reservation. So حجزت, it means you did the reservation. It's a past tense. حجز, the past from يحجز, to reserve or to book. So حجزت, this is with you, in conjugation with you. So you reserved or you booked. حجزت. And then the object is الفندق. And الفندق, it means the hotel. So usually in spoken Egyptian, we say both. We say hotel and we say فندق. Both are used to describe the hotel. Hotel is an international English word, of course, and فندق is the Arabic word. So فندق or hotel. So حجزت الhotel, حجزت الفندق. Did you book the hotel? Did you reserve a room in the hotel? This is by far one of the most important phrases we ask ourselves before traveling. The passport. Did I have the passport? Did I forget the passport? Because it's a big trouble. So when we say ما تنساش الباسبور. Okay, ما تنساش الباسبور. First of all, passport in Egyptian, it means الباسبور. الباسبور. Not الب. الب. So the light B, like B for book. الباسبور. And ما تنساش الباسبور. ما تنساش, it means don't forget. ما تنساش. تنسى, to forget. ما تنساش is the negation of you forget. So don't forget. Okay, so I am ordering or requesting that you don't forget the passport. So ما تنساش الباسبور. ما تنساش الباسبور. لازم نمشي بدري. لازم, again. So we are repeating لازم here, we must. And نمشي is to go. And we say نمشي, this is a conjugation with we. Okay? إحنا, we. So we go. إحنا نمشي. لازم نمشي بدري, it means we must go early. بدري, it means early. متأخر, it means late. So بدري versus متأخر. Here in our phrase, we learn بدري, which means early. So لازم نمشي بدري, we must go early. We must move early. فين التذاكر. Here we learn an important question article. فين, which is where in spoken Egyptian. So فين, it is where. Whereas أين is where but in modern standard Arabic. So أين in modern standard Arabic versus فين in spoken Egyptian. Very important. So فين التذاكر. تذاكر is a plural of تذكرة. تذكرة, and تذكرة it means the ticket. So we say التذاكر, tickets. فين التذاكر, where are the tickets. Okay, so فين التذاكر, literally where the tickets. And we remove the verb to be as we discussed before. We don't use it in the present tense in spoken Egyptian. So the R is removed here. So it is literally فين التذاكر, where tickets. Where are the tickets? فين التذاكر. So فين التذاكر؟ حجزت الفندق؟ ما تنساش الباسبور. All these phrases are in your toolkit right now. You can use them with Egyptians, and these phrases are 100% native. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget also to join my Egyptian Arabic 101 free course and download the ebook. You'll find the link in the first comment and also in the description box. Thank you very much, and see you in the next episode.